Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter number 1 atomic structure, and this is our part 15, which is the last part of this chapter. In this part we'll learn about isotopes, isobars, isotones and isoelectronic species. We'll learn the meaning and example of them and a short summary about scientists. So let's start with isotopes. Isotopes. So what are isotopes? So we know that atoms of given element are similar, but later studies have proved that for few elements this similarity is confined to only number of protons and electrons. They contain same number of protons and electrons and differ in the number of neutrons. Such atoms are called the isotopes. So isotopes are the atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. Isotopes are atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass numbers. Some examples of isotopes are Cl, this is chlorine, and 17 is the atomic number, 35 is the mass number. Then Cl 1736, Cl 1737. Like this. These are the examples. The atomic number are same but the different mass numbers. Second is isobars. So isobars are the opposite of isotopes. Isobars are the atoms of same element having the different atomic number but same mass numbers. Means isobars are the nucleides with same mass number but different atomic number. Nucleides with same mass numbers but different atomic number. The examples of isobars are, first one is of argon. Like this over here, you can see the atomic numbers are different, but the mass numbers are same. Third one is isotones. Isotones. So, isotones are the nuclides with different mass numbers and atomic numbers but have the same number of neutrons. Different mass numbers and atomic numbers but have the same number of neutrons. Nuclides with same with different atomic number or this is mass number, or different mass number or different atomic number but same number of neutrons. Means if any elements are given, their mass numbers would also be different and their atomic numbers would also be different, but the number of neutrons in them would be same. Example is silicon, that is 14 is the atomic number and mass number is 30. Then it comes phosphorus, 15 is the atomic number, 31 is the mass number. Then sulfur, 16 is the atomic number and 32 the mass number. You can see the atomic number and mass numbers are both different in every element, but 30 minus 14, that is number of neutron, mass number minus atomic number, this is 16, this is also 16 and this is also 16. So these are the pairs of isotones. Another is isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species which means the species of different element or compounds containing the same number of electrons. Different elements or compounds containing same number of electrons. This is electron. Like the example is H minus, He, Li plus, Be minus 2. Now these are the examples of isoelectronic species because this minus means plus 1. The electrons of hydrogen is 1 and this minus means plus 1. That will be 2 electrons. Here the atomic number of helium is 2. So as it is 2 because we don't have the minus or plus sign at the upper right part of the element. And third one is Li plus. Li plus is opposite. The atomic number of lithium Li is 3 and this plus means minus 1. That would be 2. Be minus 2. Beryllium minus 2. Atomic number of beryllium is 4. Minus 2 means minus 2. Sorry, this was plus 2. Plus 2 means minus 2. So we'll get 2. So all of these examples are of isoelectronic species. I hope you've understood till this. Like this, you have to identify each and every species. Now, there is some information about scientists who showed us the atom. In 400 BC, it was Democritus suggests that all things are made of particles. In 1805, John Dalton's atomic theory. Atoms of same elements are all alike. They combine to make compounds. In 1897, J.J. Thomson finds the electron. In 1909, Ernest Rutherford discovers the proton. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford discovers the nucleus. So these are the main scientists who showed us atom. I hope you've understood till this. For any queries and doubts, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. At this part 15, we have completed this whole chapter of atomic structure. You can check our previous parts from 1 to 14 in our channel. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching.